Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Lieutenant. Today we are doing a blindfolded slime challenge. As you can tell that I'm doing the slime. If I'm even looking the right way, you could be over here.
That's me!
Or you could be over, oh, never mind.
This is definitely the slime. I guess you're right there, or you could be back there, but I think that's a wall. Yep, that's a wall.
So we're going to pick slime ingredients, and then we're going to see who makes the best slime. If you think my slime's going to be the best, make sure to hit that like button, and if you think her slime's gonna be the best at the end, then hit that subscribe button.
And if you like them both a lot, then do both things. Hit the like and subscribe button.
So let's just start, I guess. I'm just gonna,
this is glitter.
I found some.
I found another thing.
I'm not sure if it's open. Oh yeah, it is. I'm just
thing.
gonna, wait, is there?
Wait, was it open up? I don't know what color this is.
I'm just gonna hope that this is something good.
I know for a fact it's glitter, so I'm just gonna put a little. I went. What color is this? It could be black. I could ruin my entire line.
Okay, what's this?
I don't even know.
Glue. Okay.
I feel like I'm moving.
Or is this not a glue? I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna try to put that away. And what's this? I don't know what this is.
Yep, there's definitely glitter in that. It's definitely glitter.
I gotta do some of.
Ooh, some sort of slime? This is sparkly, right? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing!
Is even putting anything in it?
Yes, I put in. This is my second thing.
Okay, I'm not sure if this should probably be enough. We have no idea what we're doing, so we could be making it look.
Like this could be pink and I could have added black glitter.
Oh, this is glue. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue in, I guess.
Oh, yep, some definitely went in. I don't know where to put this.
I'm pretty sure
You can move it.
And this might be that magic slime thing. I'm not sure what it's
Is
called.
this some sort of paint, I think? I think it smells like paint. He smelled it.
Okay. What's this? I think that's glue.
Is this something?
No.
Okay, that's like. I hope this is something because I don't know if I got
another
something.
sparkle. So hopefully this is a good sparkle. Yep, I can hear that.
Oh, is that the same one you got picked?
Maybe I already picked one. Okay.
It's so sparkles. I'm just gonna put the rest of this one in.
I'm not sure what this is.
I don't know what color paint this is. I'm not gonna write that.
Okay. There's nothing on this side.
This could be gold, white, black.
Oh, that's your thing.
Oh, that's you. This is definitely pink.
I'm just gonna put some of this mystery color glue in. Well, it's not a mystery to you. So there's no spoon showing me.
Am I putting stuff in?
I don't know if I've missed anything.
I definitely am putting stuff in.
I
got paint on my finger. Trying to feel like.
I'm gonna use some of this, I guess. But I have no idea. I didn't really smell it though, since I didn't know how to make it.
I
It
just
definitely
built
sounds
stuff.
like paint.
Taking a chance.
Oh, might as well put some more glue in. This could be black glue. I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing this is activator, but
I don't think there's activator on this.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't smell like anything, so.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that might have already been empty.
This is some sort of glue. And I'm gonna put it in.
I'm not sure how much stuff I feel like I want to add. Oh, this is definitely paint. I'm not sure what color it is, but I'm gonna add some. Okay, I'm pretty sure I added some. Oh, I definitely smell something. Maybe I didn't just add paint.
That's why I keep putting stuff back. It's because I don't know what I want to add.
Okay, you could just not add any more, but
From a video, whatever.
we still have to mix it up and stuff.
Later. This sounds like something bad.
Oh, I
just
know
have
it
something
looks
over.
like so bad. Oh, I don't know what that is. I want to know what's in my thing. I want to open up my eyes and see. What's this? Glitter? Okay. I probably put way too much of that in.
I want to look at my thing.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna.
I'm not feeling that glue.
Whoa, this is a big. I'm gonna add some more of this.
That's glue. A small thing.
Okay. We're gonna open up our blindfolds and see what that looks like, and then we're gonna mix it up in 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
I added yellow paint, gold paint.
Whoa. Okay, so I added this. I added lots of stuff.
Seems I added this.
I
and
also
some
added
of it-
this.
Yeah, I added that too. Some of this got caught on my fingers and fell in there. I added this, some white glitter.
Okay, this is
and
why I
gold
have way
glitter.
too much glitter in mine.
I wanted this. What that?
So
I
we're
knocked
gonna-
over this.
We're
Look
gonna mix it up
this.
now. We're gonna go get some spoons so we can mix it up now.
Look at my hand.
So we'll show you
Oh, I
when
thought
we
I
get back.
Yep, I definitely.
We're gonna mix it up now, just to
And I did
see
add
how
blue
it
paint.
looks. And oh, whoa!
I added way too much
lot
sparkles.
of sparkles. You say you added way too much sparkles? Oh.
Oh, mine's making green. I did
Mine
it.
has some green sparkles in it.
No, mine's actually making purple.
I'm
Maybe
not
I did it.
sure.
Oh, I think I did add that purple.
Mine's gonna
I just
make...
not a lot of it.
Oh, whoa, my hands are really red.
Whoa! Mine has a dark. Ooh, mine's turning out
Whoa,
good.
yours looks... I think yours is weird.
Whoa! Yours looks like Preston. Yours kinda good since it's the orange and mine looks so good though.
I think mine won.
I also think mine's like galaxy colors: purple, blue, yellow, green. And a bunch of sparkles. I like those sparkles that are still in.
I mean, mine's starting to look pretty cool too, but not really.
I like mine. Be honest, who do you actually like?
Mine.
I guess you would like yours.
But I added way too much red. If I could change it, I'd add more yellow.
If I could change it, I'd probably add that galaxy into mine. Ugh! It got way too sticky. I think I need more water.
Well, mine has too many sparkles. It's turning They keep poking in my fingers.
Mine doesn't seem any fun.
Oh, mine's not too sticky. Mine's actually like just the right stickiness.
Look at my hand.
Whoa.
They're covered in it. One's like blue, one's green and yellow. I want to
Yeah, I like this one.
I like mine a lot. I'm
I
gonna
think
try to mix
mine's
them.
like a lot better.
This happened to probably be our best slime yet.
Yeah. Well, we did have pre-made slime, so it was basically feel like this when it was pre-made.
I think I remember it. I think the purple is like. I think the white good
Yeah, it's even getting all the red and stuff off my hands.
It isn't for me. Well,
This
kind
looks,
of is.
oh wow, yes, that's cool.
Yeah, mine's like a galaxy.
Mine's turning just into really red.
So yours is. These definitely turned out to be your best slime.
So this is the finished project of our slime. This is my slime. So again, if you like mine better, vote for me by hitting the like button. And
If you like mine,
oh well, you're just getting a bubble.
like and subscribe. I mean subscribe.
And if you like both of ours, then do both.
Or
And you can hit that notification bell.
bell. If you like both
Make
of
sure
ours,
hit that like button also. Oh, hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell. See you in the next
That's it.
video. Bye.
Bye.